In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Snapchat story quickly on your iPhone or Android. First, open the Snapchat app and make sure you've already posted a story. Now, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. This will take you to your Snapchat profile page. Scroll down and find My Story. Tap on it to open your posted stories. Now, select the snap you want to delete. You can either press and hold on the snap and then tap Delete Snap, confirm by tapping Delete again, or you can open the snap, tap the three-dot menu or arrow option, and then select Delete from there. Once confirmed, your story will be removed immediately from Snapchat. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Snapchat story. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, social media tips, and iPhone guides.